degrees
Move, Whisper.
here.
Can you watch her from the back? Move out of the way, dogs.
As long as we don't get meat in there.
Now she won't do it.
Come on. Come on, Bronwyn. Come on. Come on. Come on, babe. Come on. Yeah. Come on.
Okay, guys, get out of here. Not you. You climb the stairs. Good job. Next one.
Come on, Bronwyn. Come on, Bronwyn. Come on, Bronwyn. Yeah. Good girl. Holy Tater, seriously, you guys. Of course. Move.
Get out! Okay, next stair. Climb the other stair.
She's thinking about it. Yeah. 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 Good.
There you go. Good job. Whisper, get out. Whoa. No, don't sit there. There you go. Good job. All right. Not you. You're fine. Bronwyn, say dada. Say dada. Come on. Bronwyn, say dada.
Dada.
You little
Bronwyn.
wrench. Nah, she
Dada.
just refuses.